Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a PayPal account. To begin, navigate to the official PayPal website using your preferred web browser. Once there, locate and click the Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner. You'll then be prompted to choose the type of account you wish to open, either a personal account for individual use or a business account for commercial transactions. Make your selection to proceed to the next step. Next, you'll need to provide some personal details. Start by entering your phone number, which PayPal will use for verification purposes. You'll receive a code to confirm your number. After that, input your full legal name, your email address, and create a robust password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Finally, review and accept PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy to continue the registration process. To fully utilize your new PayPal account, you'll need to link a payment method. You have the option to connect either a bank account or a debit or credit card. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely add your chosen method. PayPal will then guide you through a verification process, which might involve small deposits or charges to confirm ownership. This step is essential for both sending and receiving funds seamlessly through your account. The final step involves confirming your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from PayPal and click the link provided to activate your account. Once confirmed, you can log in and explore your personalized PayPal dashboard. From here, you're ready to start sending money to friends and family, receiving payments, and managing all your financial transactions securely and conveniently. Enjoy the ease of PayPal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.